All right, guys, we're taking a look back at practice test number 2 from the CLTexam.com website. We left off on question number 96. A point 4, 3 is reflected across the x-axis. If this new point is on a line with the point 2, 1, then what is the equation of that line? Well, I can draw that point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right 4, negative 3 tells me to go. Down 3. So this point, 4, negative 3, gets reflected across the x-axis. So my x-axis here, so it's going to fold up to where the new point is going to go, instead of being 3 down from 4, it's going to be 3 up. At 4, 3. If this new point is on a line with the point 2, 1, then what is the equation of that line? I can see in my answer choices that all 4 equations has a different slope. So if I just find the slope between my point from my new line and this right here, I've got the answer. So slope is your m, slope equals your change in your y's over your change in x. So if you can remember, rise over run, that's your change in your y's over your x's. So my y points are 3 and 1, so 3 minus 1 over change in x. If I started with this 3, I got to start with this 4. 4 minus 2. 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. Every fraction is a division question. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And the only equation over here that's got a slope of 1 is answer choice C. And now, question number 97. If 2x equals 5 over y, then which of the following is equivalent to the expression 2x squared? So we know 2x, we want 2x squared. In order for me to get this to here, I want to get my x by itself first. So I'm going to say 2x equals 5 over y. And to cancel out my 2, I'm going to multiply both sides by a half to make those 2's cancel. So x equals 5 over 2y. And now that I know what x is, I can find 2 times this and square it. So I'm going to say, okay, I want to take a 2 and multiply on both sides like this, times 2, and that's over 5 over 2y. I'm just going to move it back some. That was my green. 5 over 2y. That's equals. And I'm going to squeeze in that 2. 2 times this, right? And then when I square my x, I'm going to come in with one more color and take my x squared. So I got to square this. Now I've got 2x squared on this side equals 2 times, when we square this, we multiply the top times itself. 5 squared is 25 over the bottom pieces by themselves. So 2 times 2 is 4, y squared on the bottom. And now just this 2 outside, I'm going to multiply it by my numerator. Because, right, that 2, if I were to turn that to a fraction, it'd be 2 over 1 to multiply equals 50 over 4y squared. And that's not there just yet, but I got an even number on top of an even number, so I can divide the top and bottom both by, 2 to give me 25 over 2y squared, which is one of my answer choices. There it is. All right. And my next one, question number 98. In the circle, a circle in the xy coordinate plane is given by the equation x minus 5 squared plus y squared equals 49. What is the area of a circle in square units? I know my formula for area of a circle is pi r squared. And I know my equation of a circle looks like this, where on this side of the equal sign, it is your radius squared. So this question, if r squared is 49, it's pi times 49, which is just 49 pi. They do not give you this formula on the test, I don't believe. Let me just double check my reference sheet. They don't give you the equation of a circle. So that's something that if you don't got that locked in, you might want to memorize that, because look how easy that question was. It was just right there. And just one more question real quick. Number 99 says a regular hexagon has one side that measures 6 inches. What is the area of the hexagon? And let's see, that would look like this: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. A regular hexagon is going to be made up of 6 equilateral triangles put together like this. And I know my formula for area of a triangle. So if one side is 6, then all the sides are 6. Then I can take a half of one of these triangles right here. And if all the way across is 6, my bad. If all the way across is 6 here, then halfway across here is 3. And this side across over here is 6. And when I cut this triangle in half, here, I gave myself a nice right angle. So I want you to take question number 99 and finish solving that from there. What's your formula for area of a triangle? Apply that area of a triangle here, right? What's this missing side? How do you find the missing side? And then if we know the area of half the triangle, what's the area of the whole triangle? And then once we know the area of one of the triangles, what's the area of the hexagon that's made up of all 6 equilateral triangles? And you should find your answer over here, because it's there. It's not this one. Yes, you can find it. It can be determined. So I'll catch you on the next video when I get home.